Hey guys, so for today's video, we are going to talk about Rarible. Also, we are going to talk about the price since many people right now are putting their interest in the cryptos. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. Many people around the world want to get rich quickly, and doing that is somewhat risky. That's why many people right now are putting their interest in crypto. Now, the great thing about this project is that you don't need to buy coins and then hold them until the price goes up. With this project, you are going to earn cryptocurrency. Now, let's take a look at this right here. Introducing Rari, the first governance token in the NFT space. During the 6 months of this project, Rarible created a strong community of artists and art lovers and brought up some people that believe in NFTs. This is a platform where people can buy and sell digital art and NFTs. Now, when you buy and sell digital arts or digital assets from Rarible, then you are going to be rewarded with Rari Tokens. Now, those tokens are governance tokens that can be used in this platform. Now, as we are growing in numbers and expanding our presence in the market, Rarible is taking a shift towards becoming a fully decentralized autonomous organization, driven by the will to give our community the power to influence decisions and incentivize active participation. We are launching our own governance token. This new project management model has proven to be efficient within the DeFi industry, and we're excited to launch the first governance token in the NFT space. Now, take note of this. You can't buy any Rari tokens. The only thing that you can do to have Rari tokens is that you need to earn it. You can't purchase Rari on our platform. It can only be earned by actively participating on the platform. Now, we call this marketplace liquidity mining. Over half of Rari's total supply is reserved for sellers and buyers on the Rarible marketplace, who will receive Rari through weekly distribution according to weekly purchases and sales volumes. I discovered this coin because for the past few days, this coin is trending on the CoinGecko website. Now, when I looked at the coin, I liked the concept that you can't buy the coin and you can only earn the coin. So right now, we are on the bull market, and this is happening for quite some time now. The longer the bull market, the longer the bubble in the market pops. Now, when you have a crypto and you don't spend any amount of money with the crypto, then you are very safe when the bubble pops because you don't need to worry about getting back your capital. Now, this platform is a platform where you can sell collectibles and digital arts online, where you can earn Rari tokens. Now, you can make some digital art or collectibles and put it in here. Right now, we are living in an era where NFTs are rising. NFTs are in the market for a while now, and it is slowly getting more and more fame over time. I would say that we need to start doing our research about NFTs, and Rarible is an example for you. Rarible already exists for 9 months, so it is not a new platform, but the tokens that they are holding are somewhat new right now. You might ask, why are they introducing this token right now? The market right now is shifting to DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. Governance is not the only function for this token, but there are more valuable functions that we utilized for this token. Rari token, awarded to the 5 active users of the platform, will act as the governance instrument. It will enable collectors and creators to vote on multiple upgrades and decide how the platform should develop further. This makes the governance of the platform directly responsive to our most active users and brings Rarible closer to being a public good, operated by the community members who value it the most. So if you're asking why you should create an NFT, actually, there is no particular reason why you need to create NFTs. It actually depends on the person why you are creating an NFT. But the important thing that you need to know right now is that NFTs are booming and it is possible for you to earn a lot of money with NFTs. Now let's put it in this way, that you are going to create an NFT. Then you are going to sell it and earn some money with that sale. But the great thing about this is that you can have a commission for every secondary sale that your NFTs transact. What kind of perks can you get for having Rari Tokens? Because this token is a governance token, then it can give you the power to submit proposals and you can even vote for these proposals. You can also moderate Rarible creators and curate featured artworks on the platforms. With the tokens that you are holding, you can select which artist or which NFTs to be featured on the platform, and you can have a boost to the artist audiences. Now you can also moderate the platforms based on the community-based moderation system. Now if you are wondering, are you late for the party? Then the answer for that is no, because the current circulating supply is around 1.6 million out of the 25 million total. So there is a lot of tokens for you to earn. Now if you want to be an active member of the Rarible platform, then you can still receive some Rari tokens if you're going to take action right now. You can create a few NFTs and sell them on the platform and test out how the platform works and how the Rari tokens work. Know what you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.